POS Point of Sale, Training Essential Guide for Staff. POS Point of Sale, System training helps employees efficiently manage sales, billing, inventory updates, and customer interactions. Proper training ensures accuracy, speed, and smooth daily operations in any restaurant or retail environment. Objectives of POS system training. Understand the full interface and basic navigation. Learn to process orders and payments correctly. Handle discounts, voids, refunds, and corrections. Manage table orders, split bills, and modifiers for F&B. Maintain accuracy in cash handling and shift reports. Ensure smooth communication with kitchen/bar through KOT/BOT. Update items, check stock status, and monitor real-time sales for supervisors. Key training modules. System overview. POS layout. Logging in/out. User roles and permissions. Order taking. Adding items, modifiers, and notes. Table selection, dine-in, takeaway, and delivery options. Sending KOT/BOT to kitchen/bar. Billing and payments. Cash, card, mobile payment. Split bills, merging bills. Applying promo codes, discounts. Corrections and adjustments. Voiding items. Refund procedures. Reprinting receipts. End-of-shift procedures. Cash drawer management. Z-reports and daily sales summary. Cash handover. Inventory and supervisor tools. Stock in, stock out. Real-time sales and performance analysis. Item/price updates. Benefits of proper POS training. Faster service. Fewer order mistakes. Accurate billing. Better customer experience. Improved sales tracking and reporting. More efficient staff performance.